Hello, super scholars. Welcome to our bond math class. Today in bond math, we're looking at very interesting questions on different mathematical problems. So come along with me as we journey into the world of bond math. Starting with this first question. Here are marks some children scored in a test. So the question now is add them up. So let's add them up. We have Peter scoring 6, 5, and 9. So 6 plus 5, that's 11. 11 plus 9, that's 20. So I'm going to write 20 here. 20. Okay. And Zena scored 7, 4, and 6. 7, 4, and 6. So let's add up 7 plus 4, that's 11. 11 plus 6, that's 17. 1 and 7. Team scored 8, 7, and 3. So let's add 8 plus 7, that's 15. 15 plus 3, that's 18. I'll add up here. 18. And I have Rachel. Rachel scored 6 and 6 and 8. So 6 plus 6, that's 12. Plus 8, that's 20. So Rachel scored 20. And Sean scored 7, 8, and 6. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Super. All added up. Let's go to our next question. Question 1 is who had the highest total mark? Highest total. This is our total. So who had the highest total mark? That's Sean with 21. So I'll write Sean here because the question says who? Sean. Okay, Sean. Next question. Who are the lowest total mark? Lowest total mark, that's 17. And it was scored by Zaina. Oh, Zaina, sorry. Zaina, please try hard next time. All right, Zaina. I write my N again. Zaina. Okay, A and Zaina. Okay, that's not A. That's not the proper A. So I write A again. Okay, that's better. All right. And I have the next question. Who got the highest mark in any one test? Look for any one test with the highest score. Okay, I have 9 here. Let me check for others. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah, so 9. So Peter actually got the highest in any test. He scored 9. Nobody actually told us what the total number of score was. I guess it should be 10. Maybe 10. Okay. Okay, Peter. Now let's go to the next question. Question 4. Who got the lowest mark in any one test? Let's look for the lowest score. Okay. Okay, I have 4 here. Let me see if I have 3 or 2 or lower. Yes, I have 3 here. Okay. So 3 is the lowest. So team scored the lowest in any test. in any of the tests. Team. Okay. Next question. Who got the same mark in two tests? Same mark in two tests. Same mark in two tests. Same mark. Same mark. Same mark. Rachel. So Rachel. Rachel. Super. And question 6. How far does Carol live from the shop? Now here's a question. I have 4 buildings here. Susan stays in one, Jill in the other, Carol stays in another one, and we have shops here. Now we have our express road running through the front of the house. Okay. Now we have from Susan's house to Jill is 250. That is from Susan's to Jill is 250. And from Jill's house to Carol is 150. So from Susan to Carol is 250 plus 150. Give my answer. From Susan to the shops is 250, 150, 100 put together. I'll give my answer. So the first question now says, how far does Carol live from the shop? Carol, where's Carol's house? Yeah, this is Carol. And how far does she live from the shops? So let's see, from here down to the shops, that's 100 meters. 100 meters. 100 meters. 100 meters and millimeters. Okay. And the next question says, how far does Jill have to walk to the shop? Jill. Walking to the shop. So for Jill to get to the shop, Jill must walk 150 and another 100. So putting 150 and 100 together, let's see what that will give us. 150 plus 100, 100, 100. Put my plus sign because I'm adding up. I'm adding up 150 and 100. So I'll draw my lines here. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So Jill needs to work 250 meals. 250. 250 meters, 250 meters. All right, next question. How far does Susan live from the house? Let's go to Susan. Susan lives here. So how far is Susan living from the house? She lives 250 plus 150 from the shops. 250 plus 150 plus 100. So I'll add that up together. So I have 250. Remember when I did 250 plus, let's do it again. 250 plus 150 plus 100 okay. Now I have my plus sign here, and then I'll add them all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0, that's 0. 5 plus 5, sorry for that. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 0, that's the 10. I write the 0 here. Then I'll carry 1 and place it here. So I have 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1, 4, 5. So 1, 3, 4, 5. So I have 500. So the question now says, how far does Susan live from the shop? So she lives 500 meters away from the shores. 500 meters. That's far, not too far. Yes, I can walk 500 meters. 500 meters. Every child should be able to walk 500 meters. Okay, now the next question is this. If Jill walked to Susan's house and then home again, how far will she walk? Jill walks to Susan's. Jill to Susan's. Take her 250 meters. 250, 250. To take her 250, she'll go this way, 250, and then she'll come back again, 250. So 250 plus 250 will give us 500. So I'll put it down here, 250, just to confirm my answer, 250, and another 250 again, another 250, okay, write it up properly, and then add them up together, add up here, put my addition sign. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I'll write down 0. Then I'll add 1 to 2 plus 2. That's 4 plus 1. That's 5. So she'll need to walk 500 meters also. Okay. Haven't done that. Next question. If Susan walked to Carol's house and then home again. Susan to Carol's house and then home again. So she has walked 250 and 150. That's 400. Good. So she walked 400 to and 400 backward. So 400 and then 400 again back to her house. That's 800 meters. So she'll have to walk 800 meters. I hope you understood what I just said. I hope you understood what I said. So let me say it again. 250 plus 150. Let me do the first one here. 250 so she has walked 250 this way, and then she walked another 150 to get to Carol's house. So she'll walk another 150. So add this together, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4, 400. So she walked 400 to her house, and then she walked another 400 back. So two 400s will give me 800. Next question. If it takes Abdu 46 minutes to clean a car inside and out, which is dash to the nearest minute. 46 is closer to 50 in 10. 10 is closer to 50. So that's 50 minutes, which is 50 to the nearest 10. Yes. 50 is in tens because I have unit and tens here. So 46 to the nearest 10 is 50. I hope that's clear. Okay, so you round up. Now, how long will it take Abdul to clean 2 cars in the nearest 10 minutes? So 2 cars, that's 46 plus another 46. Okay, let me write another 46 here. Okay, let me put my addition signs. And then I'll draw my sign there. So 6 plus 6, that's 12. I write down 2, take 1. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 92. So let's look at 92. Is 92 closer to 100? because the next number after 90 is 100, right? Okay, or is closer to 90. Think about it. 90. So the question now, where is it closer to? So looking at this, you see that 92 is closer to 90 than this. So it is 90 to the nearest 10 minutes. 90 minutes. I can also convert 90 minutes to hours and seconds. Remember, 60 seconds make 1 minute. So I can have 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, that's clear. Next, what number is 4 tens and 3? 4 tens, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. Or you say 10 times 4. 10 times 4. 10 times 4 will give you 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. You see my answer, 40 plus 3, that's 43. Plus 3 will give us 43. Thank you. Okay. Now the next one is, what number is 3, 6 and 2? 3, 6, that's 3 times 6. That's 3, 6, right? Will give us 18. 18 plus 2. That will give us 20. 20. Super. Next question. What number is 5 threes and 4? 5 threes, that's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So to get this, I'll say 3 times 5, that's 15. Yes. 3 times 5, because there are 5 threes here. That's 15. Plus 4. That will give me 19. 19. Okay, super. Now, next, look at this. Find a pair of numbers with a sum of 13 and a product of 40. So to do this now, look at this. What number can I add up together? Now, two numbers can I add up together? I'll give me 13 and multiply them. It will give me 40. 40. 40. 8 times 5. 8 plus 3. So I have 8 here plus 5. Let me see what that will give me. 8 plus 5 is 13. Super. So 8 times 5 will also give me 40 here. Super. All right. Next, number 17. A lesson started at 10 minutes past 2. Let's draw the hand for that. The long hand. 10 minutes past 2. 10 minutes past 2. If it is 10 minutes past, the long hand will be here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, let me draw it again properly. Okay, sorry for that. All right, back to my clock. So 10 minutes will be somewhere here. So 10 minutes past 2. And it ended 20 minutes past. So 20 minutes past will be somewhere here. 20 minutes past. So how long did it last? So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it lasted for 30 minutes. It lasted for 30 minutes. Okay, now 18. Okay, says, what must I add to 16 to make it 25? Now I can count from 16 to 25. I can say 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and get my answer. And I can also say 25, 25 minus 16 to get my answer. Okay, so here I'll say 5 minus 6. No, I can't do that. So I'll take 1 from here. This one is left with 1 here. So I place the 1 here. So 15 minus 6, that's 9. And this minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have 9. So I'll actually add 9 kobo to 16 kobo to make it 25 kobo. Okay. So question number 20. Now, my father and I visited the mall and we bought the following item. We bought notepad for 80 kobo. We bought scissors for 1 naira 55 kobo. We bought felt tip pens, a set for 95 kobo. That is, set means 1, 2, 3, 4. We bought all of them for 95 kobo. We bought crayon for 99 kobo. We bought ruler for 75 kobo. Bought eraser for 15 kobo and a ballpoint pen for 20 kobo. Now, let's have a look. I bought 3 notepads. What did I pay? 3 notepads. 3 notepads. So that's 80 times 3. 80 times 3. Okay, I'll draw that line again. Okay, to get my answer, I'll say 3 times 0, 0. While 8 times 3 is 24. 24. So how much did I pay? I paid 240 kobo. So I paid 240 kobo. Now I can convert my 240 kobo to naira. Now remember, 1 naira equal to 100 kobo. That is 100 kobo equal to 1 naira. If 100 kobo equal to 1 naira, I have, how many 100 can I have from here? 240. I can have 2. So I can say in naira, I have 1 naira and 40 kobo. So that's what my dad paid. 1 naira, 40 kobo. This makes it easier to subtract from the big money I have to give out change. So 1 naira, 40 kobo. I hope that's clear. Okay, the next one, 21. How much change did I get from 3 naira? You see now, so I have from 3 naira, 3, 0, 0, and then 1 naira, 40 kobo things, worth of things I bought. 1 naira, 40 kobo. It's always good to put your kobo so you don't forget that you're working on money. Kobo. So I'll put my naira also here. Makes it beautiful. And anybody seeing my work will know that, oh, he's working on money. Okay. So I'll draw my lines here gently. And I'll put my kobo here. Okay, now remember, I'm subtracting. This is the money I paid, and this is what that I bought. So I'll take away this from this and get my change. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Now, can I say 0 minus 4? No. I'll borrow 1 from here and place it here. This one becomes 10. and this one becomes 2. So I have 10 minus 4, 6. Put my colons here. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So everything I bought, the change I collected was 1 naira 60 kobo. And next, which two things can I buy for 1 naira and 14 kobo exactly? Two things I need to buy. So I need to look at two things I need to add up together that will give me 1 naira, that's 114 kobo. Yes, I can actually convert this to kobo by saying 114 kobo. So which two things can I add? So if I take 95 and 95 together, that'll give me something very high. If I take 99 and 75, that will also be very high. Okay, if I take this and this, that will also be very high. But this 15 kobo is looking very suspicious, so I'll take 90. I'm going to add 99 first and 15. That's this. Let me mark them as I use them. And this, add it up, 15. Try out everything that is small and big and see if I can get 114. Okay, let me add up this together and see 9 plus 5, 14. Okay, I have 1 left. I have 4 and then I have 1 left here. So 1 plus 9, 10 plus 11 plus 1, 11. Good, I got it. I got it just at the first guess. I got it. Kobo. So I can turn this to naira and kobo. Yeah, because here I have 1 naira. Remember, 100 kobo equal to 1 naira. So I bought crayon and eraser. So I'll come here and write crayon. To get this answer very well, you need to add up all numbers, like 2 items. So I added up one big one and one small one, and immediately I got my answer. I didn't even try the second time. But if I had not gotten my answer the first time, I'll pick up another one again, add it up again, and see what I'll get. So, but this, at the first guess, I got my answer. So, eraser. So those are the 2 items I can buy for that. Okay, the next question. So Dad bought a notepad and a eraser and a ruler together. The cost? So the first one is a notepad. A notepad is 80 kobo. He also bought an eraser for 15 kobo. He also bought a ruler for 75 kobo. 75 kobo. Add up everything. Remember, kobo, kobo, kobo. And I have my answer in kobo. And I can also convert. So 0 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So I have 0. Then remember I'm adding. Let me put this here. Okay. So I'll put my 1 here. So 1 plus 8 is 9. Yes, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So I have 1 and 7. So if I take this to naira, it will be 1 naira 70 kobo. So together they cost 1 naira 70. Let's put my naira sign here. Naira is what we use in Nigeria. Okay, now 1 naira 70 kobo. Let's not forget that And now let's go to how much change did Dad get from 2 naira? So Dad gave 2 naira. Let's put 2 naira here and subtract it from 1 naira, 70 kobo. So Daddy gave them 2 naira and he bought things worth 1 naira, 70 kobo. So we'll do our subtraction and then see what our answer is. And let's not forget to put our signs: kobo, kobo, naira, and naira here too. So I'll start subtracting from here. 0 minus 0 is 0. Can I say 0 minus 7? No. So I'll borrow 1 from here. So this one is left with 1. So I'll put it here. So 10 minus 7, that's 3. So I don't have anything here. 0 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So my dad is actually taking 30 kobo as change. 30 kobo change. That's what it is getting. Okay. Now the next one. How much do 2 pair of scissors cost? Remember, when I say pair, is this scissors is written this way with an X, one singular scissors with an X in front of it. So how much will 2 pairs of scissors cost? Now I'm going to add the first one. So I have 2. I can add and I can multiply by 2. So I'll just add up this. So the first one, and then the second one here, and see what it will give me. So this is kobo, this is kobo, and this is naira, 1 naira, and this is naira. And remember, I'm adding them up together because I bought 2 scissors. So the first one, 5 plus 5, 10. Right, there's 0 here. I'll take 1 and bring it here. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1, 11. So I'll write 1 again. I'll take 1 up. Okay, I'll take 1 here and bring it here. So 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3. So 3 naira, 10 kobo is my answer. So 2 pairs of scissors will cost 3 naira, 10 kobo. Super. Okay, how much would it cost to buy 2 ballpoint pens? Let's go to ballpoint. Ballpoint pens, I have 20 kobo. So that's 20 plus 20, that's 40 kobo. 40 kobo. Answer. Good. And the next question, which 2 things would cost 2 naira, 50 kobo? That's 250 kobo, 250 kobo, 250 kobo together. So what 2 things will cost that? Now this 250 is looking very big, so I can do 90, 80, or 90 and 99. So let me do 90 and 99 first. So I would have 95 first. I need to add up those big things to see if it will give me, and then 99. So let me add this up together. Now 5 plus 9, that's 14. Oh, this one is already showing sign that it's not going to give me answer. So I have 1 left. 9 plus 9, 18. Plus 1 is 20. 18, sorry. I'll take that back. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 1, 19. So this one is just 194. No, not up to what I'm looking for. So I'll do another two things I need to add up. I need to add up two things that are big to give me two. So I have, let me see, I'll take okay, this one is looking very big. 155. I don't need to cover that. 155 kobo. That means I'm taking my scissors. Okay, two things. So I'll take 99. I'll add it to 99. 9 and 9 kobo. So let me see if this will give me 250. I hope this gives me 250. So 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. Oh no, this one is not giving me anything like this. So I'll take that back and look for another number that is bigger. Let's say 95 for both. This one 95. Let's try 95. 95 for felty pens. And I put my addition signs here. Then I draw my lines here. I draw it again. Draw my lines here. Okay, let's see if this will give us 250. Okay. Now 5 plus 5, that's 10. I'll write down 0. I'll take 1, put it here. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. This one is looking likely 15. I write down 5. I'll carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I've gotten my answer. Turn this kobo to naira. 2 naira 50 kobo. Good. Gotten my answer. So the two things I need to buy are felt tip and scissors. So scissors, those are the two things I will buy that will give me 2 naira 50 kobo exactly. Okay, now let's look at these simple subtractions now. Now, to do this, can I say 0 minus 7? No, so I'll borrow 1 from here. So this one is left with 5. So I'll put my 1 here. So 10 minus 7, that's 3. And 5 minus 1, that's 4. Super. And this, okay, can I say I'll have to borrow for this 0 again, so I'll borrow from here. So I'm left with 6. And then I'll place my 1 here. 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Super. Easy. Now, this one also, I'll borrow from 7. I have 6 left here. I'll bring it here. 10. 10 minus 4, that's 6. 6 minus 1, that's 5. Okay. And with that, we have come to the end of our class today. Remember, you can replay this video over and over as many times as possible. And don't forget that you can also reach me through the Classstream page with your questions. And before you go, I have an assignment for you, and it is titled Bond Math Bluebell Period 8 Assignment. Make sure you do your homework and your assignment, and don't forget to hit the submit button when you're done. See you in the next class. Bye for now. Bye.